about it. You parked your luxury car in the basement. अब लोगों को पता कैसे चलेगा that you're rich? Like this. And now you can spend like $1 million without spending $1 million.
Do you remember fragrance ads back in the day? I'm talking about the early 2000s. You see this gentleman? Let's call him a boy. Okay, so this love-deprived dude would spray dew on his well-chiseled body and voila. And every woman within the 5-kilometer radius would be clinging to him. Amazing, right? For years, that's what perfume advertising sold us. Wear this fragrance and suddenly you will become more attractive, more desirable, a chick magnet. I mean, who cares about the personality, right? Cut to present, nobody's talking about attracting the opposite sex with the fragrance because now it's all about smelling rich.
Not millionaire rich. I'm talking about smelling billionaire rich.
Like Elon Musk.
Think, this smells like old money. This smells like a Dubai princess. But what do billionaires smell like? I don't know because I'm a working class girl now. Nobody knew when the perfume transformed from attraction to manifestation. Smell like a rich person to become a rich person. Sounds like a Ponzi scheme to me. But here's the interesting part. The idea of smelling rich isn't actually new. For centuries, perfume wasn't just about smelling good. It was a status symbol. In places like ancient Egypt and across the Middle East, fragrance became associated with royalty, wealth, and power. If you smell luxurious, people assumed you were someone important. Fast forward to today, and we're seeing the same idea come back in a very different form. That's exactly why Arabian aroma has become such a huge trend. Arabian fragrances with rich notes like oud, amber, saffron, vanilla, and musk have almost become shorthand for luxury. And that's why I think this trend resonates with so many of us. Because why go to Dubai when you can smell like Dubai? We are constantly joking about being broke while being surrounded by luxury every single day online. Every scroll is filled with influencers staying at 5-star resorts, carrying designer bags, and living these aspirational lives. Most people can't afford that reality, but they can afford little pieces of it. Maybe it's a matcha from an aesthetic cafe, maybe it's a skincare routine, maybe it's a nice pair of sneakers. And now maybe it's the perfume that makes you feel like you belong in that world. That's why social media doesn't sell fragrances anymore. It sells fantasies. You're buying the feeling of becoming a version of yourself. So maybe the Arabian perfume trend isn't really about perfume. It's about how luxury has evolved. तो पहले क्या होता था ना कि we used to chase luxury through cars, accessories, watches, designer bags. और अब की बात करें तो luxury also live in little things that make you feel expensive. Think about it. You parked your luxury car in the basement. अब लोगों को पता कैसे चलेगा that you're rich? Like this. And now you can spend like $1 million without spending $1 million. Crazy, right? अगर आप मुझसे पूछोगे ना, like my personal opinion, I think it's a very tempting deal. But I'm curious to know, so do you think people are buying Arabian perfumes because they genuinely like the scent, or because smelling rich has become the new status symbol? Let me know in the comments below. मेरा perfume कहाँ है? वो actually मेरे society में पानी नहीं आया था.